Austin Approach, Allegiant 1500 is at 13.6, descending via the Suzy 6, we have echo.
Departure, big strip 22527, climbing 4000, heading 150.
Big stripe 225, Austin departure, ready contact, Homo maintain 12000, clear direct Munch.
12,000 direct Munch, big stripe 225.
Show me 7754, traffic 11 o'clock and a mile, descending to 7000s, an American 737.
Insight, show me 7754.
Show me 7754, maintain visual separation from the American 737, they're going to continue descent.
Copy that, show me 7754. Yep, about away.
American 2892, descend to maintain 5000.
Via the Suzy 6 with echo.
You're blocked.
American 2892, descend to maintain 5000.
Continue to descend 5,000, American 2892.
Allegiant 1500, Austin approach, expect runway 18 right.
18 right, Allegiant 1500, thanks.
American 2892, contact approach 125.32.
2532, American 2892, so.
Show me 7754, contact approach 125.32.
2532 for show me 7754. Yeah.
Departure Envoy 3830 2204, 4000 heading 170.
Envoy 3830, Austin departure, ready contact, Homo maintain 12000, clear direct Alexi.
12000 Alexi, Envoy 3830.
Center, Allegiant 1500 as a TCAS advisor, we're climbing.
Allegiant 1500, roger. When able, fly heading 210 vector to final and copy the TCAS.
210 on the heading and vectors to final, Allegiant 1500.
Austin approach, American 1781 descending via the WLEEE 7, 15-4, information Charlie.
American 1781, Austin approach, expect runway 18 left.
18 left, American 1781.
Departure Southwest 3184, 23, climbing 4,000.
Southwest 3184, Austin departure, ready contact, Homo maintain 12000, clear direct to Muse.
Climb maintain 12000, direct Muse, Southwest 3184.
And Center, Allegiant 1500 is clear of conflict 11.6 on the heading of 210.
Allegiant 1500, descend to maintain 6000.
6000, Allegiant 1500.
Big stripe 225, contact Houston Center 132.15.
3215, big strip 225.
Departure Southwest 2978, 2000, climbing 4,000.
Southwest 2978, Austin departure for the contact, Homo maintain 12000, turn right heading 270.
Climb 12000, on the right turn heading 270, Southwest 2978.
Allegiant 1500, turn right heading 230.
Right turn 230, Allegiant 1500.